Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a daytime soft glam makeup tutorial for you guys on this look right here. Now, before I get started with the tutorial, I want to start off by giving a big shout out to Fancii Co for sponsoring today's video. I am super excited to be sharing their Nala Vanity Mirror with you guys. So this is the Nala Vanity Mirror, you guys, and I have been loving this product so much. So one of the main reasons why I love this product is that it has a ring light around the mirror, and the lighting can be adjusted in 3 different settings. So I'll show them to you right now. So here's one, here's another one, and here is the third one. So you can see there's like a natural light, a more yellow toned light, and then a more cool toned light. So the great thing about these mirrors having the adjustable lighting is that it really helps you to be able to neutralize whatever environment you're in. Whether the environment you're in is too cool toned or too warm toned, you can just adjust your environment lighting accordingly to make sure you have the proper lighting to be able to do your makeup properly and effectively. So essentially, this product helps to combat bad beauty lighting. If you guys don't know what bad beauty lighting is, it's pretty much when you're doing your makeup under lighting that might be too cool toned or too warm toned or maybe too dark, and that can result in you making makeup mistakes like not contouring properly and blending it out properly, or maybe applying too much product, like applying too much blush because your lighting is too dark. So just little mistakes like that, or even not having your foundation on your face match your neck. So little things like that can easily be avoided by having proper lighting, and this product really helps to achieve that. So another thing that I wanted to mention that I absolutely love about this product is this little piece that is added on to the mirror. So you can take this off and you can also place it back whenever you're using this mirror, and this is pretty much a 10 times zoom in mirror, and I have been loving this little feature of this product, especially when I'm doing my skincare or when I'm doing my brows, whether I'm plucking my brows, just any maintenance on my face. I really have been enjoying using this little piece right here to really be able to zoom in on my face and see the details. So yeah, overall I have just been loving this, and I have some pretty exciting news for you guys. So I have a coupon code for you guys. If you guys use code NADIFA10, you will receive 10% off your order. And if you guys want to check out other products other than the Nala Vanity Mirror, which I shared with you guys today, you guys can definitely check out their other products, and you can use my coupon code site-wide. So make sure you guys check out Fancii Co. So again, a big thank you to Fancii Co for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys check out Fancii Co. So that's pretty much it. Let's move on to the makeup tutorial. Okay, you guys, so I already went ahead and I got my base done just to save time in the video, and I also went ahead and I got my eyelids prepped and primed and ready. So I'm going to give you guys a quick product rundown before I get started with my eyeshadow. So for foundation today, I went ahead in with the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation so much. It's such a nice full coverage, long lasting matte foundation. I'm obsessed, so I went ahead in with this, and I'm in the shade Dawn. So to prep my lids, I went ahead in with some concealer. I went in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I just blended that out and set everything in place with my Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. So for today's eye look, I'm going to be jumping into 2 of my favorite Tarte Eye and Cheek palettes. I'm going in with the Tarte Clay Play Volume 2, as well as the Tarte Busy Gal Goals palette. I love using these 2 palettes for like everyday soft glam looks. I just love the neutral tones that are in here. They're just the perfect colors. So I'll be jumping into these 2 today. So to start, I'm jumping into the Clay Play Volume 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here called Ember. Taking this on a big fluffy brush, I'm just going to start smoking it out onto the outer corners of my eyes. I'm also going to drag the color onto the crease a little bit. So not only do I love these 2 palettes for everyday because of the tones of the shadows and just like the face products that are in the palettes, but also because of the formula of these products as well. It's just so quick and easy to blend these eyeshadows, and when I'm in a rush and I'm on the go, like whether I'm going to work, even though that hasn't been a thing for a while because I've been working from home, but I just remember when I would work in the office, these were the two palettes I used pretty much every single day. So yeah, I just love Tarte shadows and the Tarte formula because it's just so quick and effortless to blend. It's crazy. Like, this took little to no time to create, and you can already see the eyes are coming together so beautifully. So I'm just obsessed with Tarte, you guys. Definitely one of my top favorite makeup brands. So next I'm gonna jump into the Busy Gal Goals palette, and I'm gonna go ahead in with the shade Go Getter. Just gonna go ahead in with that shade and really blend it out onto the outer corners just to define that area a bit more, a little bit more dimension. And the way that I'm applying this is I'm kind of going in circular motions onto the outer corners, and it's just really gonna help diffuse the shade into that area. Going back in with Ember from the Clay Play Volume 2, I'm just defining the crease a little bit more. So I'm jumping back into the Tarte Clay Play Volume 2, and I'm gonna grab this shade right here called Instinct. Grabbing this color on a flat brush, and I'm just going to apply this onto the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm just going in and making sure that everything is nice and blended and that there are no harsh lines. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to take a quick break from the eyes, work on the face a little bit, and then I'll go back in and I'll wrap up the eyes. So for concealer, I'm jumping back in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And you can see with the concealer, I'm just going to clean up the eyeshadow, just like that. And to set everything in place, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder.
Ryan Little.
So while everything is baking and setting in place, I'm gonna go ahead in and do my eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm going in with the Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner by Maybelline. So that's pretty much what I want to do on both eyes. So I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera and then we will continue. So to wrap up the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and with some mascara. Usually for everyday glam looks, I don't wear lashes. I just like to wear mascara. It's just more comfortable for me, especially because I do wear glasses, so it's just easier. So I'm gonna go ahead in with one of my current favorite mascaras at the moment, and that is the new Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. Look at the difference, you guys. I'm obsessed with this mascara. So I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera and then we will continue. So that's pretty much it for my eyes. And now I'm going to quickly do my brows. For brows, I'm going in with the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil in the shade Deep Brown. So that's pretty much it for brows, and I'm gonna go ahead in and contour. So to contour, I'm going back in with the Clay Play Volume 2, and I'm going in with the bronzer. I'm also gonna go ahead in and contour my nose. Going back in with some setting powder, I'm just going to clean up the nose contour. For blush, I'm going in to the Tarte Busy Gal Goals palette, and I'm grabbing the blush right here. And you can see that I'm applying the blush kind of higher up in this area versus on the apples of my cheeks. And this is just going to help slim out my face and lift my face. I'm gonna just apply some blush on the tip of my nose for some color. So next I'm gonna go ahead in and highlight, and I'm just grabbing the highlight shade from the Tarte Clay Play Volume 2. And the very last thing I have to do is my lips. So I'm gonna start off with some lip liner. For lip liner, I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige. For lipstick, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in the shade Honey. And lastly, I'm going in with this Quo Beauty lip oil. I got this from Shoppers Drug Mart, and I'm just gonna go ahead in and top up the lips with this, and this is gonna add a really nice shine to the lips. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And of course, all of the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box. So make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys have suggestions on any videos you guys would like me to do, make sure to comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely try to follow up on that. And you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!